To cancel your Spectrum TV app free trial and avoid unwanted charges, timing is absolutely critical. You must cancel at least 24 hours before your trial period ends. There are two main ways to cancel your trial. The first method is calling Spectrum's Help Center directly at 832-676094. They're available Monday through Saturday from 8 a.m. to midnight. The second method is using live chat on Spectrum's website. Go to the Contact Us page, click Chat with Us, and enter your zip code when the chatbot asks. You'll then be connected to a live agent. Regardless of which method you choose, have your account details ready. This includes your service address, contact information, and account number if you have it. Most importantly, clearly state to the agent that you want to cancel your free trial. Finally, always keep a record of your cancellation. Save any confirmation numbers, screenshot your chat conversation, and note the date and time you canceled. This documentation protects you from any unexpected charges and serves as proof that you canceled within the required timeframe. Before you cancel your Spectrum TV app free trial, there are several important considerations and alternative options you should know about. First and most importantly, Spectrum does not offer prorated refunds if you cancel after your first month of service. This means you'll pay for the full month regardless of when you cancel. If you have any rented equipment like cable boxes or remotes, you must return them to avoid additional charges. You have three convenient options for returning equipment. You can return equipment via UPS. Simply package your equipment and drop it off at any UPS location during their operating hours. FedEx is another option. Visit any FedEx location to return your Spectrum equipment safely and get a receipt for your records. Your third option is visiting a Spectrum store in person. This allows you to speak directly with staff and ensure your equipment return is properly processed. Be aware that some users have reported receiving conflicting information from customer service representatives. If you encounter issues or confusion, try resolving the problem by phone or visit a Spectrum store in person. Now, let's explore some alternative approaches that might make the cancellation process easier or provide additional security. Consider using ScribeUp, a subscription management service that can handle your Spectrum cancellation with potentially less hassle than dealing directly with customer service. For added security, consider using a virtual credit card when signing up for the free trial. This prevents any charges from occurring when the trial period ends, giving you complete peace of mind. If you're a seasonal resident, consider pausing your service instead of canceling completely. While you'll still be charged a reduced monthly fee, this might be more convenient than going through the full cancellation and reactivation process. However, note that Spectrum TV Choice and Spectrum TV Stream subscribers will still pay the full price even when paused. These considerations and alternatives can help you make the best decision for your specific situation. Choose the approach that works best for your needs and circumstances.